Well, we are going to start this topic about our peace mission. As you know about my work, about my job, how I am doing, where I have been during these 2 years, for which reason. So now we are in front of our camera, where everything is going to be catched, and it will reach to the public who are not knowing about my mission, about me, what I was, what I am, and what is my expectation from government and from the public. So regarding that, if you, I will be glad that you will start making some questions to me, so that it will be easier to reach people that what is actually my mission going on.
Because you don't know everything, so I think you should start by saying how you started this mission. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Actually, I'm right now 40 years old, but I was 18 years old when I became a victim of the terrorism from the Kashmir. As having this training in POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir, afterwards I went back to Kashmir, but I did not enter in any group, any terrorism group. So after I was working 2 years to help my families and so on, so then afterwards I got arrested by forces, and I was 2 years in the prison. And after coming from prison, I mean to say I got free. I start again my career, but I got many difficulties, I can say, that where I can say that my past is still hunting me. And then afterwards I start working on this mission, which is called Peace Mission, for not for Kashmir, not for India, it is for world, I can say. Because till people will not join their hands from the all world for the peace, I believe that this is really difficult to achieve this goal. So from last 2 years I am doing this mission by walk. I started on September 2010 from the Bombay. So over there you can see some of the t-shirts which has been like 22,000 signatures from the people only, that who believes and who love to have a peace in their own country, in our country, and in our lives. So there are like many things which I have been already speaking with my friends. They are from Korea, Japan, and my friend is from Sweden, and well, you're from?
From Israel.
You are from Israel, and he's from Kashmir, and my friend also is from Kashmir. So I will be glad that if we can, you can join your hands like with me on this table, and we will try to bring the reality to the public and to the government, that what Altaf is actually expecting. Actually, my expectation is only that the things I have passed during these years, like we can say the terrorism, and I did not enter, but I don't wish that another youth, like we are saying that the people are getting brainwashed by the terrorism groups, but I am just trying that help them, that what is the behind that every person is trying to go in the terrorism. This is just an ignorance, which I already spoke with you. So in this regarding, I would like to have some of your words to the public and to the government, that the mission which I am running, what they should do to continue this mission.
I think first of all they really should notice what you're doing, because you're doing this march for almost 2 years now,
Right.
and you don't get any
Response.
and I think it's strange. And I mean, at least they could listen to your solutions, because you have the experience and you know what's going on there, and I think it's a good place to start by listening, and they give you some response.
Well, I was yesterday also saying the same question to all of you, that do you think that this will be the reason to kill terrorists, or it should be better to kill terrorism? Actually, always I have been saying that if you are going to kill a one person, either he can be a victim and he must be having some things behind him, or there must be some people, I mean to say rich or political or some organizations are using him. Don't you think so that we should go first of all deep in this thing, that how this person, a normal person and educated person is becoming a terrorist? If we will solve this thing first, don't you think that the terrorism will be controlled many ways? I was just speaking about my friend is from Kashmir, and they got a house there, but they are not living there. There is a reason, because of this same thing we can call this ignorance and terrorism. So in regarding this, we can I would like to hear something from you.
No, it's hard to say something really about it because I don't have your experience, but I can understand. I mean, I think that violence grows more violence. I think we should approach it in a different way, and not with violence maybe. Yeah, I think understanding is amazing, that you should start with from the beginning. And I know you've been talking about that they pay young children to become a terrorist, and that's how they earn money. But in the same time, I think the government could give them money for better things.
But as I have already said that I have been sending many faxes to the Prime Minister of India, and I have been trying to meet some of the politicians also, but they ignored this mission.
Yeah, and I don't understand that.
Don't you think so that this is the ignorance?
Maybe you're right.
Now I
That's
would
why.
like to have some words from